What's up, guys? It's early in the morning and we're celebrating a birthday last night. We are taking the GTS. We're going to Barber. Today we have AutoCross for the first time. I'm a newbie, so it should be fun. We got to get there though, so we can go through tech, and then yeah, let's roll. Base. So I just got to Barber. Got my wristband. As you can see, there's a few cars behind me, and yeah, I'm working today too. Yeah, I'm driving and I'm working corner 3. So I'll let you know how that goes. That out. This is what you catch when you come to Barber Motorsports. Mr. Barber has a really cool, or has a really unique interest in art, and
so I'm still gonna apex this thing somewhere right in here.
guys, I'm out here working corner 3. We haven't started yet, so I'm just making this video. But we walked through everything. I'm signed up, got my car ready to go for novice. We passed tech, which was not near as stringent as it is on a bike on the track, which makes sense though. But about to work corner 3. Let's go. You like my helmet? So I'm out here at Barber, and we took this out. And it was a lot of, I'm still learning. The car is really powerful. I mean, AutoCross, like, I slid a lot. It was like a 64 second, and then my second time, I dropped the tire pressures from like 34 to 30 and went out and I took some of the stiffening. I loosened the suspension up a little bit. And I did a 61. You know, but I'm just trying not to hit any cones with this new car. So, but a lot of these guys, you know, they're experts. They're like going full force, balls to the wall. So, but I'm out here having a lot of fun. So, I'll try to get my wife to film a video next time I go out. What do we have here? I think this is one of the new GT3 Cup cars. Alright, so it kind of stinks I didn't have a GoPro or anything inside the car, but we started out with the AMG in race mode, flooring it. Got like a score of 68 seconds, or a time. Lowered the tire pressure, flooring it still right off the bat. Letting the traction control fight it, and I got 63. Then took it out of race mode, put it in sport mode, and made the suspension not so stiff, and came out with 60. And then just now it's like I think what we did the best is I took any of the stiff suspension out of the car and shifted gears prematurely because it just wants to slide everywhere, and was able to get a 57. So from 68 to 57 was a pretty big jump. And I've never done this before, so it was fun. Seeing we're in cinematic mode. All right, April, how was it?
It was scary.
Some pretty cool engineering here. A lot of welding. Well, that is it. We are done with AutoCross at Barber. Now we're going to get some food.